This video you may or may not want to watch. It's using that 1956 Cooper Cyclo-Mo that my grandfather bought new, that my dad's girlfriend's daughter backed over and busted up. My grandpa gave me that mower in the 70s and I used it to trim. I mowed quite a bit of area at one time with a tractor and I'd go around and trim, and I used that probably 30 plus years. Then we took it up to the cottage to use for a mower up there, and that's when Lynn's daughter backed over it and kind of busted the deck up and stuff, so I restored it. My dad was heartbroken because when he was in college he'd mow his dad's yard with it. So after I fixed it and took it up, my dad used it up there, and like I say, until it got damaged. So anyway, I was sitting here restored, useless, just like it was useless when it was broken, and I thought, what's the point in having it if I'm not going to use it? So I took it up north back to the cottage to use as the cottage mower and mowed the grass at the cottage with it and videoed it. And so here's the video on the yellow extension cord. We built a 24 by 36 two-story garage. It's got a second floor in it, and we haven't run the power over to it. All the electrical and the wiring inside is just about done. It's all past inspection. I just got to run the wires from the meter to the panel, and at the same time I want to run plumbing because we're going to put a bathroom in the upstairs, and so that, I got to cut that concrete slab to run the plumbing and the wiring and stuff. So maybe in the future, next year or something, or the year after, that'll happen. But for now, we just run a cord over there to run what we need to in the garage. Yeah, it seems to work out good. But here's a little video, like I say, of mowing with that Cooper Cyclo-Mo. And like I say, some may click through it, some of you may watch the whole thing, but anyway, I just thought I'd do it. And there is 3 past videos of mine on YouTube of restoring that lawnmower if you're interested. And I got a 57 here that I was going to take out and use for the cottage mower and keep that 56 unused, but there was no point in it. So I don't know, I may sell this one. I'm not decided what I'm going to do with it yet. But anyway, here's the video. Enjoy. Well, as I stated, I'm bringing this up north to use back as the mower here. There isn't a lot of grass here, as you'll see. I'll video mowing, and it doesn't really need mowing, but I'm going to do it anyway. And I didn't want to make this thing useless with it restored, just like it was useless when it was broken after it got backed over. But anyway, here we go. We're going to put gas in it and use it. And for the new viewers, it's a 1956 Cooper Cyclo-Mo, 65-year-old lawnmower. I put oil in the air filter already. if you sat through that whole video of mowing, more power to you. So anyway, that was it for this video. If you like it, hit the like button. If you like my channel, please subscribe. And thank you for watching.